I know that there are 5 million videos on YouTube about how to install a font, but I kind of want to show you how to do this the right way, especially if you are using this for commercial use. If you're designing t-shirts, coffee mugs, printables, whatever it is that you are making and selling for commercial use, I want to show you how to do this the right way. I was inspired to do this video. I got a question from a viewer who was having trouble downloading some fonts. So I'm basically making this video for her and also for anyone else who is confused about the commercial use and the personal use. Okay, so there are a lot of sites like dafont.com, and you can download the fonts. They do have a section where you can donate to the author. But really, you're not supposed to use a lot of those fonts for commercial use. You're supposed to have the license for that. The number one place that I recommend to get fonts for your business is Creative Market. I think it's well worth it, and they have awesome fonts and awesome font bundles. So, like right now, I'm looking at these fonts and I'm thinking to myself, wow, I really want to purchase some of these. I just love it. So they have, a lot of font bundles. I love this one right here, Chin Up Buttercup. And there was one here. I love this one. This one I'm going to have to get. It's Ambition. And I'm just going to kind of click on it and see what fonts that they have. So it's a font bundle plus collage graphics. And, for $20. So this does have a lot that it comes with. So it has all these fancy fonts, and this shows you the examples of, or these are a few examples of what they have. Okay, so these, you want to make sure that if you purchase them, also that you can use them, for commercial use. Sometimes you use your new fonts for unlimited personal and commercial projects. So you just really want to make sure, that it is for commercial use. I mean, unless you're just really using it for something that is personal, I highly recommend, going to Creative Market. I just think that they have a huge selection of the most beautiful fonts that you can possibly get. But for today's video, I'm also going to show you a place where you can get some free fonts for commercial use, and that is called 1001 Fonts. Now you got to be careful, because when you're scrolling here, if you look right here, this one says this font is free for commercial use. However, if you go down here, this font is free for personal use. And then you can donate to the author if you would like. And I don't see a section on there that has an option to purchase a license for it. So, I've seen so many videos and everybody goes straight to dafont, and they want to download that, and I know people are using a lot of the fonts. I will say that I am guilty myself. So, I don't think that's actually going to put me on America's Top Wanted list, but I really have gotten into trying to purchase everything for commercial use only. So let's say, for example, I'm going to download this Quiggly Wiggly regular font. Okay, so let's check right here. It says that this font is free for commercial use. Now I'm going to show you how to download it and install it. So we're going to click the download button, and it's going to throw it down here in the bottom left-hand corner. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open it up, and it's going to come with these documents right here. So this is the actual font that you can download. This right here is the telling you that you can use this for commercial use. It's saying personal scrapbooking for yourself. Commercial use refers to usage in a business environment. So it's saying that you can use this for business cards, logos, websites, t-shirts, books, apparel, anything that will be sold for money. Flyers, posters, freelance graphic design work. Anything that will generate direct or indirect income. So it's telling you right here that you can use this for commercial use. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click this, and we're going to click install. Okay, so now that font is now installed, and I want to show you, once you click install, it's going to automatically appear in all of your font sites, whatever you're using. So just to show you that, let me jump over here to iPicky.com. We are going to just create a design, and just to show you, the name of the font was called Quiggly Wiggly. So I'm going to click right here. Now, on iPicky.com, right here it says online. These are all the fonts that iPicky comes with. Okay, but if you click over here where it says local, these are ones that you have either downloaded or they came from Google, you know, something like that. So we're going to just scroll all the way down, and I'm going to show you that this font is here. Quiggly Wiggly. Okay, and here it is right here. So we even have the option to make this bold if we want. So let's just type something here. I'm just going to type hello. Hope you had a great day. Okay. So I'm going to make this bigger now so that you can see this. Actually, let me do this. So there's our font right here. We also have the option here if we want to change the color. So, you know, let's say that we wanted to change it to purple or whatever color it is. There's possibilities are endless. Okay, so I wanted to show you on that, so it works on that. Okay, I'm going to jump over to Cricut Design Space because I know a lot of people design t-shirts and things like that with heat transfer vinyl. So we're going to jump over here to Cricut Design Space, and we're going to see if this works as well. So I'm going to type the same thing. Hello. Hope you had a great day. Okay, so we're going to go up here to our fonts, and in Cricut you can filter this right here to My Fonts, and now I'm going to scroll down. Actually, you can type, and here it is right here, Quiggly Wiggly. So it changes the font. It changes the font to that in Cricut Design Space. So I hope that clarifies anything. Just to download it, it is very simple. It's just a matter of clicking the download button. It throws it down here in the bottom left-hand corner. You click on that and open it up, and when you click to open it, it's going to automatically download it, and it's going to show up in everything you use. So I showed you that I'm in Cricut Design Space, and it is also showing right here as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you do not miss out on any future videos that I will be uploading. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a great day.